हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो आज मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ मालदीव्स के बारे में। मालदीव्स एक बहुत ही अच्छी हॉलीडे डेस्टिनेशन मानी जाती है। कई सारी नेशनैलिटीज़ के लोग यहाँ आते हैं और इस जगह को बहुत ही ज़्यादा फेवरेट हॉलीडे डेस्टिनेशन माना जाता है। एंड इट इज़ द सेम फॉर ऑल एज ग्रुप्स। जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन मैं आपसे शेयर करता हूँ एज अ ट्रैवलर शेयर करता हूँ सो दैट यू कैन टेक दोज टिप्स एंड ट्रैवल and be free to ask any questions you have regarding any destination on the planet in the comment box, or you can email it to me. तो अब हम बात करते हैं मालदीव्स की। तो मालदीव्स एक ऐसी जगह है जो एक आइलैंड नेशन है। पहले हम उसकी फॉर्मेलिटीज़ पे चलते हैं। वीज़ा फॉर्मेलिटीज़, फॉर एग्जांपल, वीज़ा फॉर मालदीव्स इज़ वेरी इजी बिकॉज इट्स ऑन अराइवल। आपको यहाँ से कुछ अप्लाई नहीं करना होता। जो भी आप करते हैं, सिर्फ एक टिकट बुक करते हैं और आपकी एक होटल रिजर्वेशन होनी चाहिए। एंड फॉर अप टू 30 days यू कैन बी इन मालदीव्स एंड द वीज़ा इज़ ऑन अराइवल एंड इट इज़ ओपन टू ऑल नेशनैलिटीज़। अब बात करते हैं करेंसी की। मालदीव्स की जो ऑफिशियल करेंसी है वो है मालदीवियन रूफिया। लेकिन आप यहाँ से जब आप फॉरेन एक्सचेंज काउंटर्स पे जाते हैं तो आपको मालदीवियन रुपया नहीं मिलेगा। आपको लेना होगा यूएस डॉलर्स। यूएस डॉलर्स आर वाइडली एक्सेप्टेड। इवन क्रेडिट कार्ड्स, वीज़ा, मास्टर एंड अमेरिकन एक्सप्रेस आर वाइडली एक्सेप्टेड। कुछ जगहों पर इवन यूरोस एंड ब्रिटिश पाउंड आर एक्सेप्टेड, बट द मोस्ट वाइडली एक्सेप्टेड करेंसी इन मालदीव्स इज़ यूएस डॉलर्स। अब बात करते हैं कनेक्टिविटी और वाईफाई की। मालदीव्स में रिजॉर्ट्स डू ऑफर यू वाईफाई। अगर आपकी रिजर्वेशन में पहले से वाईफाई इंक्लूडेड है, नथिंग लाइक इट, विच इज़ बेस्ट, ऑलवेज गो फॉर दैट। बट अगर आपने वाईफाई के लिए पे नहीं किया है एंड व्हेन यू रीच द होटल, द प्रॉपर्टी, वहाँ पे अगर आपको पेड वाईफाई है, इट विल बी वेरी एक्सपेंसिव। सो व्हाट आई वुड एडवाइज यू पर्सनली, दैट एट द एयरपोर्ट you will get SIM cards, the 3G SIM cards, and they are at a very economical rate. उस सिम कार्ड को आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं फॉर योर कनेक्टिविटी देयर, विच विल बी वेरी चीपर कंपेयर टू द होटल वाईफाई। बट माई पर्सनल एडवाइस इज़ कि आप जब एक पैराडाइज जैसी जगह मालदीव्स में जा रहे हैं तो इट इज़ बेटर टू डिस्कनेक्ट योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम ऑल द नॉइज एंड टेक्नोलॉजी एंड स्टफ। इट इज़ ऑलवेज एडवाइजेबल दैट यू बी अवे फ्रॉम ऑल द टेक्नोलॉजी। एज माई पर्सनल एडवाइस कि आप वहाँ पर रिलैक्स करें एंड जस्ट कीप योर सेल्फ ऑफ फ्रॉम ऑल द टेक्नोलॉजी एंड इंटरनेट एंड कनेक्टिविटी। अब बात करते हैं अल्कोहल की। मालदीव्स एक इस्लामिक कंट्री है तो अल्कोहल बैन है। Maldives is a dry country. So Maldives is very strict in terms of alcohol. So the capital city, local islands, and at the airport, alcohol is not allowed. But for the ease of the tourists, alcohol is available at island resorts. It may be the part of your package or you can buy it there. Now we'll talk about clothing. Going to an island destination, it is understood that you want to pack your bags with a lot of beachwear. But Maldives is an Islamic country, and the capital city, Male, is known to maintain and preserve its culture. So it is advisable that in the capital city of Male and at the airport, you dress with modesty and you have to respect the culture of the people, of the locals there. It is recommended that you dress modestly at the capital city of Male and at the airport to respect the culture of the locals. This country of Ireland has 4 international airports. It is very well connected, but very famous airport of Maldives is Male. तो माले के एयरपोर्ट पे आप जब लैंड करते हैं तो आपके पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस होते हैं अपने रिजॉर्ट में जाने के लिए। उसमें से एक ऑप्शन है सी प्लेन, बट इट्स वेरी कॉस्टली, और दूसरा ऑप्शन है स्पीड बोट विच इज़ इकोनॉमिकल। Maldives have more than 1000 islands. There are around 800 islands which are still uninhabited in Maldives. So you can imagine that there are so many places yet to be explored. The customs and social protocols of Maldives is greatly influenced by Indians, Sri Lankans, Arabs, and even North Africans who once upon a time had visited this island for trading purposes. Now, to do in Maldives, one word: relax. Don't do anything. You don't need a checklist that where you need to go in Maldives, because whenever you are at your resort or your water villa or beach villa or even at the beach, you just need to relax. you have beachside hammock, you have spa facilities, you have so many luxuries there inside your resort that you don't need to go anywhere outside. And I'll advise you personally that don't spend much time in Malé, the capital city. As soon as you reach Maldives, you directly get yourself transferred to your resort and you stay there. For example, after 4 days or 5 days, when your stay gets over, you can directly get yourself transferred again back to Malé airport. No need to spend much time in the city. If you have a long haul, then yes, you can go and explore the city for yourself to buy souvenirs, etc. But it is not recommended to spend a night there. You can spend 2-3 hours of your time there just to explore the city and see the museum and see some heritage sites. So I would recommend, if you're spending so much and you're going for a memorable holiday, it is better that you go to Maldives and spend your maximum time at the island. Apart from relaxing, you have a lot more to do when it comes to water activities. Flyboarding, which is dolphin watching, it is completely dependent on the season in which you travel. Surfing will help you to hop between different islands, so even that is a good option to do. Scuba diving is very famous in Maldives. It is recommended that all the water activities, the add on activities, you don't need to pre book it with the travel agent. You can directly go there and explore yourself, and as per your choice, you can pay for it. Now, another very important information about Maldives: when you travel to Malé airport, so from there, how to reach your island? It's very simple. You have 2 to 3 choices. You have a seaplane, you have a speedboat, and you have a ferry. So, for example, if you have already booked your package, then your package should include the transfers to and fro, both ways. Normally, the packages do include transfers, but in case if your package doesn't have transfers, so nothing to worry, no need to panic. As soon as you reach the airport, you can directly go to the counter for transfers through speedboats or ferries. You can take a ferry, which is very cheap compared to the speedboat. Speedboat will cost you a little higher, and the expensive mode of transport from airport to your resort is seaplane, which is very costly. So I would advise, as a budget traveler, you can stick to ferry or you can go through speedboat. Now, a very technical information with regards to your package cost and your stay. So, for example, you are going to Maldives and have planned a stay for 4 nights and 5 days. So, it is recommended that you split your stays. You can stay in a water villa for 2 nights and a beach villa for the other 2 nights. Because if you take a package for all 4 nights water villa, it will be very costly for you. So, it is advisable that go the economic way by splitting your stays. In this way, you will be able to explore both the types and categories, the water villa and the beach villa. In Maldives, you have a lot of room categories. You have a beach villa, beach bungalow, water villa, so you can choose from many varieties. You can also opt for different meal plans when you plan through a travel agent. You can take a plan which is only breakfast, and you also have an option of taking a plan for all meals. It is advisable that you take a plan of all meals because that is much economical. Because when you go to the resort, you don't have much choice to go to the city and explore and have a street food, which you normally do for other destinations. Being an island nation, you hardly have any choice left. So it's better that you take a meal plan for all meals, all 3 meals, so that you are sorted. So I've given you all the basic information of Maldives. If you want more information, more in-depth understanding of the stays, food, etc., then you can definitely put it in the comment box or you can email it to me. The economy of Maldives is heavily dependent on tourism. That is why this was the reason for them to open their tourism along with Dubai during the time of pandemic. So I would advise you that now whenever you plan to travel to Maldives, I would advise you, overall Maldives is a wonderful destination, a good package for all age groups. So whenever you plan for this wonderful destination, do keep EcoTrip in your mind. We will definitely help you and serve you to the best so that you get the best deal and you travel worry free.